All right, so 5.6b, we're still talking about special segments in triangles. So number 12 says, in triangle JKL, we know that segment JE, segment KF, and segment LD are medians, which, remember, a median is going to be a line that begins at a vertex and then comes down to the opposite side from the angle that it's beginning at and bisects that side. Okay, so we know that if the length of DL, which is this median right here, if the length of DL is 30, what is the measure of LG, which is this part of the line DL? Okay, so keep in mind, G right here is called the centroid of triangle JKL. The centroid is the intersection of the three medians. Okay, now the centroid has a little special trick with it. So I know that the centroid is going to cut this thing in a very specific way. Okay, it's not going to cut it in half like we normally see. It's actually going to cut it into a piece that is 1/3 and 2/3 the whole length. Okay, so because of that, we can tell that LG is going to be 2/3 the length of LD because G is the centroid of this triangle. So we need to take 2/3 of 30. When I multiply that into my calculator, I should get 20. So the length of this piece right here, LG, is going to be 20. And if we also want to figure out what the length of GD right here is, it would be 10. We would subtract 20 from 30 to get the length of GD.